Hello there, my name is Dr. Yusar Jafar and I'm the immediate past president of the SRT. The Society of Radiologists in Training is a trainee-led society run by trainees for trainees, and our main event is the Annual Educational Conference, and next year is going to be held in Manchester, and here are the reasons why you should attend the Annual Conference in 2020.
Is this part of the RCI curriculum? Yes. Is this stuff that we come across at medical school? Yes. Does the patient require our care? Definitely.
Several hours and they couldn't find it. So we moved it back into CT and this is where it is now.
So every time a new technology becomes available across the NHS, that's a big opportunity for research.
The pediatric IR had changed, so most people were coming in through an adult IR route and fewer people were coming in through the routes that I had done.
In addition to the fantastic programme of speakers, we also host a whole range of workshops at the conference. These are aimed at supporting trainees and also junior doctors and medical students across their careers, also with exam preparation, and it gives an opportunity for them to get hands-on with equipment in our interventional workshops and develop their skills in this area.
We set up this society with 3 other colleagues, 26 years ago, and I'm delighted that it's continued. I'm particularly pleased about the content and the attendance at this conference and the enthusiasm with which the committee and the attendees have embraced the training and the developments that are taking place in radiology.
Is the heart enlarged? Is there a pericardial effusion? Is the patient in heart failure? All of the above? Or you're not sure? Let's do a CT. So the heart is enlarged 24%, pericardial effusion 60%, heart failure a few, all of the above a few of you are not sure and you're going to do a CT.
Joining the SRT has been a fantastic opportunity for me as a junior trainee, meeting a team of like-minded individuals who are hardworking and dedicated towards creating a conference with such an incredible line of speakers, and the opportunity for all of the trainees to meet and do some social networking during the conference at the same time is an incredible and unique opportunity for all of the trainees in the UK, seeing as it is a conference made by trainees for trainees, and we welcome everybody to join us next year in 2019 and 2020 conference.
All of our ideas are valued and respected, and it's a really welcoming and inclusive committee to be a part of and to work for. There's a real sense of teamwork and supporting each other and getting that done, and it's so worth it when we get to the conference each year.
Social is always popular amongst delegates and provides an opportunity to network with others in a relaxed environment and develop lifelong relationships with others in the field.
When we set up this society all those years ago, we of course hoped that it would be a big success, and that's why I'm really delighted personally that it's done so well. All my colleagues, David Nicholson, Kieran McBride, Fiona, we all developed this as something positive to help trainees in their development, in their evolution, and I'm honoured and delighted to come back and speak at SRT once again. Thank you.
Many thanks indeed for inviting me to the SRT. I've been 3 times now. It's a fantastically well organised event. All the material that's on over the next 2 days is absolutely appropriate for consultants. So what you're learning is what actually happens in